Hi lovelies, I hope you're doing great and you're really taking good care of yourselves. It's really nice to come your way again. Today, I'm sharing my third favorite breakfast recipe with you guys. It's a breakfast muffin. I'm pretty sure you've seen a ton of these on YouTube, but try this recipe, you will really love it. It's very healthy, very filling, and it gives you a kickstart to your morning. Let's get started. Welcome back. If you're a subscriber to this channel, I really hope you enjoy this recipe and you give it a try. Share with your friends and families. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for passing by. Please consider subscribing because there are more great recipes coming your way, and let's be YouTube friends. Thank you. So for this recipe, you need I have some strawberries here, some pineapples here. You can use any fruit of your choice. And I have some walnuts. You can also use any nuts of your choice. These are just for filling the muffins. And then I have 2 cups of oatmeal here. You can use rolled oats. I have 1 cup of soy milk. You can use almond milk or regular milk. I have 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of salt, and some banana. My banana doesn't look fresh. It's been in the fridge for a while now. #quarantine. By adding our dry ingredients together, so we add the salt to the oatmeal as well as the cinnamon and mix together. After that is done, peel and mash your banana in a separate container. After the banana is mashed, stir in your peanut butter. What you can also use in place of the banana is applesauce. So if you have applesauce, that would work as perfect. After that is well done, pour in your milk. Now I'm just going to pour about 2/3 of the milk to this, and then add the dry ingredients, just because I want to make sure that it doesn't become too watery sometimes when the milk is too much. So I'll add the rest if need be. You can now stir in your oats and finally mix everything together. I think it's safe to add the rest of the milk. Now, if you're a sweet tooth, you can for sure add maple syrup or honey or even sugar if that's what you want. But for me, I think the banana is enough, and I'll be adding pineapple and strawberry, which also has some level of sweetness to it, so that is fine. So now we are ready to put these in our muffin pans. Now it's all ready, and it's ready to go into the oven. So like I said, bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes, and I'll see you when it's done. So it's been 30 minutes and it's all done and ready. It looks really good. Let's go ahead and serve. This is really delicious and beautiful. You should definitely give this a try. It's a very healthy breakfast recipe. If you're on a weight loss journey, this is perfect. This could be a perfect breakfast that you can try. And that's it. Very simple but also nutritious. You can add honey or maple syrup while you're eating, or you can also add more peanut butter or almond butter. That works really well. Please give this recipe a try. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Thank you very much.